Hello everyone, Lina here. Welcome to my instruction video for the weight loss tracker spreadsheet, a fantastic tool to help you track your weight loss journey. This spreadsheet has three main tabs. Let me guide you through each one. When you receive the spreadsheet, if you can edit it, please click File and then make a copy to get started. The first tab is Setting. Here you can input your personal information. In the Basic Information section, enter your name, gender, and age. Next, in the Unit Change section, choose the units for weight and height. In the Time section, double-click to see the mini calendar and then you can select the start date and goal date. And the spreadsheet will automatically calculate the days left for you. In the Body Measurements section, input your body measurements. Once filled in, your BMI and body fat percentage will be automatically calculated. Now let's move on with our weight loss tracker tab. In this tab, there will be information such as the date and your initial weight, which are automatically updated from the Settings tab. There are also a milestone section. This section helps you stay motivated. Enter the amount of weight you aim to lose for each milestone. Set a reward for yourself and check the box once you achieve it. In the weight loss section, double-click to date cell to select the date and enter the weight. The weight loss gain and BMI will be automatically calculated, and the chart will update to show your progress. Finally, let's look at our body measurement tab. At the top, you'll see a body fat chart that tracks changes in your body fat percentage over time, updating automatically based on your data. If you want to purchase this template, you can go to my website, nutty.com. We have 3 colors of this template for around $2 each. And you can buy a bundle of all 3 for around $3. Check the link in the description to get your template. Thank you for watching. If you want to make your own spreadsheet, you can click to this video to watch my tutorial video here. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorial and product tours. See you next time.